Welcome to another session of Torah Thoughts of approximately 3 minutes. Refer to the sentence that is usually given, and so that you can try to memorize these holy words and review them. Yes, in the Torah, it speaks about the subject of Nisuyin, testing, which is so important in our lifetime, because we are being tested in this world so as to accrue a good mark in our demise after 120 years, like Bilam the prophet, who said in Numbers chapter 23:10, saying, "Let me die the death of the righteous. Let my end, E-N-D, be like theirs, acharosecho," the same word which is used in that chapter in Deuteronomy chapter 8, that acharosecho, our end, the afflictions that we experience during our lifetime are for our benefit. And we don't know why they were given, but those vicissitudes and changes in our life are only stepping stones to the real end purpose that God has brought us, which is similar to Joseph, who went on a errand to help his father and see the welfare of the brothers, and he wound up being captured and put into slavery, and at the final finale, he was made the second viceroy to Pharaoh, and he was able to save the Jewish people, bringing them out of assimilation into a neighborhood that is solely Jewish, and teaching them and raising their belief in God. And so, who knows? Maybe it is one of our charges that we were given to wind up at the end of our journeys and our vicissitudes, that we may not know why they're happening. But we have to stay focused and believe, and hopefully we will be an asset to ourselves and to our people. Thank you.